everybody, it's Campbell from KiwiJai Customs and Collections, and today I'm going to be doing the review of shortfuze, and there's more right here. But yeah, shortfuze has got a special place in my heart. It is the first gijoe that my parents have ever gave me, and it would have been the Christmas of 1983 or maybe 1984, so I would have been 9 or 10 years old at the time. Shortfuze is very unusual to the fact that he's got multiple code names and two file card names, but we'll get to that anyway. So without further ado, people, let's see what we can do. And what we got right here is shortfuze version 1.5, which was released in 1983 and discontinued in 1985. I do not own any of the straight-on versions of the gijoes, which was released in 1982. As I'm more of a fan of the 1983 version. So as you can see, shortfuze here came with a helmet, and on the helmet it was clear. So that was also the same with Colonel Hawk. Flash right here. And don't forget our good buddy Grand Slam. So I've been put out by a few fans that I have basically got this clear visor upside down. And honestly, I kind of like it like that because it stops the visor from going all the way over the top from his helmet. I think it was quite cool like that, to be honest. So I'll take this visor off and basically show you what it looks like. And that's what the clear visor looks like. And then I'll also take the helmet off. So that is the helmet. And that is quite a standard helmet from the gijoes back in the 1982, 1983. I think also Duke and Roadblock had this type of helmet as well. He also comes with a ammo backpack right here. I'll take it off so you can take a better look at it. And he shares the same backpack with Zap here. And he also has his M1 81mm medium mortar. And it comes with a bipod here, which is quite tricky to come off. So I shouldn't take it off because it's really old toys here, and I don't want to break it. So this is the thicker version of this handle, and there's 3 variants, and I'll show you a picture of what they are. So the top one is what has come with the 1982. And the second one is the thinner piece that came with the 1983. And the one I've got, which is thicker, I believe is the Malloy order shortfuze, which was released in 1986 and 1987. So I believe this could very well be the Malloy order of the shortfuze. But moving right along. So you can see he's got the bright yellow here. And that is the same hair color as Colonel Hawk. Sorry about the hair on Colonel Hawk. So it looks like they're basically twins, which is kind of annoying, but for a cost, to save costs with Hasbro, they decided to keep a lot of the hair and head sculpts the same. So you can see that also Flash has got the same. So you can see here that Flash, shortfuze, and Colonel Hawk both share the same head sculpt. And it is what it is, unfortunately. Okay, let's set the accessories aside here. And let's look at the sculpt design and articulation of shortfuze. So shortfuze had the standard head articulation of 1983 and 1982 and 1983. I believe 1984 Joes as well. His arms could swing around like 360. He had the sword arm battle grip, which means he could turn around, sword around like this. He could bend at the elbow at 90 degrees. He also had a rubber O-ring, which means he could do like a bit of an air crunch and sort of twist it and turn a bit. He can lift his leg up about 9 degrees and bend his knee about 9 degrees. So the color of shortfuze's uniform, I would say, is probably like a grey-green color combined with these black straps. They go from here and around his back, which is quite nice. He had the silver pockets on the front here, which is that's pretty cool. Also had a belt buckle, and if I can zoom in pretty close, if you can get it, I believe the belt buckle looks pretty close like the Hasbro logo, which is pretty cool. So he had brown pockets on the side and brown boots. And that was pretty, most arms and legs were generic to most of the gijoe figures of that range. And I've said before that this is a very special figure to me. Shortfuze is very special to my heart because it is the first figure that my parents got me. And I'm picking that here in New Zealand, I must have got the tail end of it. Well, my brothers and I got the tail end of it. And that would have been about 1985. Even though this figure was released in 1983. Here in New Zealand, we're kind of like a couple of years behind in getting that sort of stuff back in the day. One thing I've got to state with the figure handle on the mortar, do not put it into the gijoe's thumb or hand, because it will snap like that. That actually snapped on my figure. Luckily, I repaired it straight away with super glue. I was able to keep that thumb, so you can't actually see where it broke, but I'm not going to put it in his hands. So there's also a couple of variants too, like here in New Zealand, the gijoe was not actually gijoe, it was called Action Man. And you can see that his file name was Eric W. Feiston, which is pretty unusual because also it came out later on, and this is the Malaway version, I believe, what I got here, because you can tell it's Malaway because it's red file card. Mark W. Feiston, which is really unusual. So you can see here, I don't have the second file card, and it's a version 1.5, and it came up with the code name Mark W. Branston. So, and then in the order of battle, it came out with Eric W. Branston. So this is the Malaway order, and it is the combination of the Mark and the Eric Branston name, and they completely got out the Branston. I may have said that last part name wrong. Also, another note, and I'll go with the Action Man file card here because that's what we got here in New Zealand. So you can see here, he is a artillery. He's also the grave, and he's also the gijoe's first engineer. You can also see that his grade is E4, which makes him a corporal. And I could actually read out the rest of the file card, but I'll just leave this up here. well, everybody, I really hope you enjoyed that video. It was really great seeing an old shortfuze review. That was one of my first reviews I've done, and I've got plenty more to come. So as I said in front of the video, that the of the content, that this shortfuze means a lot to me. Now, it was the first Joe that my parents gave me for Christmas, and it was definitely at 1984, and I would have been about 9 or 10 at the time. I really can't remember back then. And if I go back with the maths, but anyway, so forth, so on. But yeah, so talking back with my mother, yeah, she got them at Bunkers, which is a toy shop at the time in Hastings, New Zealand. And as I said, on a previous live stream with my younger brother, so my older brother got Flash, and I will be reviewing him in a future video. And my younger brother got Grunt, and then, you know, my dad got Zap, or was it Zap and Grunt? But either I'm going to be doing a lot more reviews. So if you like these contents, please like, share, and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. I'm really excited about taking you guys along with this journey. It's sort of like giving me this passion to give out these contents the best that I can, and I really hope you do like it. Hey, hit that notification bell up there. It really means a lot to me again. And hey, we'll check you next time. And also, just to show you guys, I'm doing a poll at the moment, and next week I'll be doing the repair of the winner of that. So the poll is there's 3 Cobra vehicles back in 1987. They each got their own problems. So the first one, A, is the Cobra Mamba, B is the Cobra Wolf, and C is the Cobra Ray. So as I said, they each got their own issues and problems, and the winner of that, I will be doing my repair on that vehicle, and then I'll do the Flash review on that. So that's just a preview, guys, what's coming up. If you just stick around and subscribe to me, for all those ones who subscribe, awesome. So without further ado, people, catch you later.